Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a unboxing video of Beyblade X Silver Wolf 380 FB free ball. It's UX. I'm really excited. The starter. But yeah, this is one I'm really excited to get in my collection for some reason. Mainly because the owner of this, I love characters with white spiky hair or spiky big hair. That's why I kind of grew out my hair, because I like that design, or yeah, that look to it. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay. This is the UX-08. I will be getting the rest of it soon. But yeah. Oh, I need to get that again. Okay. Here's the code. Oh, the little rule cautions to play on it. Oh god, tape. The devil of this thing, a Beyblade, the devil of Beyblade is tape. If you know, you know. Here's the bay itself. The launcher is a bit different, color-wise. Okay, I'm gonna close this up. Actually, next time I'm gonna be using, actually no. But yeah, I got this guy. The switch. I can't bring it outside since it's illegal. I mean, technically illegal to have outside because it's 0.75 inches bigger than the legal way to have it. Same for butterfly knives. Can't have it outside for the same size. But yeah, sad for me as a big knife collector. And launcher with the silver fox, silver wolf. Not a big launcher, retro launcher, but let's go. Ooh. Wow, this thing is gorgeous. Little free spin, just gorgeous. Yeah, definitely one of my favorites out of this. Okay. And here's the 380 black and white and black and clear. Three. No. Yeah, 380. And the new tip, the free ball. Or really can't wait to get this, see what this guy does. But yeah, this is just unboxing. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos too. Yeah, and goodbye.